it's Linda. How are you doing today? I hope you're wonderful. I hope you're glorious. I hope you're full of piss and vinegar. My necklace isn't out, and I need it here in case you forget what my name is. So today's video, I feel like there's a chance it could be slightly controversial, but maybe not. I don't know. I'm a little nervous to make it because I don't really want to be called a hypocrite, but I feel like in a way, I kind of am a hypocrite. I don't know. As you may or may not know, in 2018, I decided to go cruelty-free with all of my makeup. I did still have some non-cruelty-free items in my collection, and the way I wanted to go about it is use those up and then get rid of them and not repurchase them. I didn't want to just flush my collection out of everything that wasn't cruelty-free. I know a lot of people do that, but my collection is not massive, so I really don't have the cash flow to do that. Then in 2019, my goal was to go cruelty-free with a bunch of my other products. So for example, my shampoo and conditioner, or my sunblock, things like that, my skincare, and I've done a really good job in both fronts, but I haven't done an A+++ job. I wanted to go over these items that I have in front of me that are not cruelty-free that I've still been using. And the reason I want to do this is to kind of show you guys two things. Number one, I really believe that the cruelty-free journey is just that. It is a journey. You shouldn't be expected to change completely on a dime. You don't need to go and do a complete 180. Work it into your routine just little by little, and that's what I've been doing. I've been trying to find new products. If I run out of something, I will go looking for a cruelty-free substitution for that product, and I will do my best. And that's kind of all you can ask for. Just do your best. If you don't do it that one time, fine. The world's not gonna end, but you're making a difference. You are trying. But number two, the reason that I'm doing this video is because I want recommendations. I love getting recommendations from you guys. You have fantastic ideas always, and I want you to leave them in the comments below. If you see me hold up something that you're like, I know a perfect cruelty-free dupe for that you're gonna love, tell me about it. I want to know, because eventually I would like to have all of my skincare, all of my makeup, all of my hair care, everything like that be cruelty-free. Let's first start with makeup remover. I am a big fan of two things. One of them is the kind of makeup remover that you have to shake to break up your makeup, and the other one are makeup wipes. And I know makeup wipes are terrible for the environment. I'm trying to wean myself off of them slowly, but I still love a makeup wipe. Worst person ever. Both of those products that I love are from the Target brand Up and Up. One is the oil-free eye makeup remover, again, one of these ones that you have to shake, and the other one is the refreshing wet cleansing towelettes. For both of these, I have not yet found a cruelty-free substitute I like. For wipes, I can't tell you how many I have tried at this point. I have tried the e.l.f. ones. I have tried the Yes To line. I have tried so many makeup wipes, and none of them feel like they get the makeup off and the cloth is soft enough. I feel like a lot of them lately, the cloth is scratchy, it scratches my eyelids, and I don't even have sensitive skin. These I feel like are soft and they really get the makeup off. They're 30 in a pack, and the first one and the 30th one are equally as damp, and they really get everything off. Like, I'm bummed. I don't know what I'm gonna use to replace these. Again, if you have a suggestion, leave it below. I've tried some micellar water. I have a NYX micellar water that I use. Didn't love it. Give me some suggestions. Now let's go for kind of general overall health products. Three big ones that I have. First of all, my deodorant. I've been using Secret deodorant probably since I was like 13 or 14. It's a really hard habit to break. I know that this has aluminum in it and you shouldn't use aluminum, blah, 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 blah. I don't know. I don't know. I can't change all at once, and I'm trying to slowly change, but this one's kind of hard for me to get rid of. I love the smell of this. I like that it makes me not drip sweat and smell like a funky pig in a petting zoo, but I know it's time for something different. I have seen people talk about the Schmidt's deodorant. Whenever I go and look for it though, it is always sold out in my Target, and it's something that I really want to smell before I buy. Again, suggestions, leave them down below. The next two are really hard for me, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys when I say that I don't know if I can give either of these two products up. And I feel like if I get rid of 98% of my stuff that's not cruelty-free, if I have these two, I mean, I'm doing my best. I don't know. The first one is my toothpaste, which might not sound like a big deal, but if you think about it, so many toothpaste companies are owned by Procter & Gamble, which is not a cruelty-free branch. It is not a cruelty-free company. Most of the items under that parent company are not cruelty-free, including this. So I have very sensitive teeth. My gum lines are receding, which is super sexy, I know. hate that noise. I don't know why I just did that. But yeah, in a lot of my teeth, the roots are kind of a little bit exposed. So Sensodyne is kind of the only thing that keeps me out of pain on a daily basis. I do go to the dentist every 3 months. Most people go every 6 months. I go every 3. So I do try to keep up with it and make sure, you know, I'm doing the best I can for my teeth, but still, I need something like this in my life. If you know of a sensitive toothpaste, one that dulls sensitivity a little bit and really helps with that, that is cruelty-free, by all means comment it down below, but this I've had a really hard time finding. The next one is an actual addiction for me. I am aware that this type of product, there are a million cruelty-free options out there, a million cruelty-free options, but I don't know if I can give this up, and that's chapstick, the medicated one, because I'm 90. I've been using this since I was a kid. Not this tube, not at all. Oh wait, you wanna see something funny? For Christmas, my husband gave me this bag, and it's a Lush bag, but he just used it as a gift bag, and filled it with chapsticks because he knows my addiction. I'm dead serious. If I don't have a chapstick medicated in my pocket or in my purse and I go out somewhere, I get panicky. I get actually panicky that I don't have chapstick on me. Like, what kind of human am I? In all seriousness though, I do have to be 100% transparent with you guys. This is one that's really hard for me to give up, for me to let go. I don't know if I'm going to. I will keep trying other lip balms. I am always trying them, but this is the only one that really works for me and helps me, so I don't know what to tell you. Now I want to talk about the #1 brand that I am so upset is not cruelty-free. If I could choose out of every single brand in the world, one that I'd want to go cruelty-free, that would be MAC by far. MAC is the makeup that started my makeup love, that started my obsession, that started my addiction, that started me watching people on YouTube. It was all about MAC. Now, I have not purchased any MAC in a very long time, definitely before 2018, to be honest. It has been a very long time, but there are a couple of items that I have not found dupes for, and I don't know if I'll be able to at this point. Now, I am not going to be repurchasing any of these MAC items. As much as that pains me to say, I don't know. I need dupes of these, so get ready, get your typing fingers ready, leave them down below. Let's get into it. The first 2 items are still available at MAC, and one of them is Fix Plus. I have not found another facial spray that I've liked as much as this one, and you can maybe see, maybe you can't, there is a drip left in there. It is a tiny drop because I use this so sparingly because I love it. I love the smell. I love the way it makes my skin feel. I love the way it makes my foundation look. I love Fix Plus, and I'm gonna be so sad when this is all gone. I've tried the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. I've tried the Cover FX Illuminating Spray. I have tried the Anastasia Dewy Set. I have tried so many dewy sprays. None of them have come close to Fix Plus for me as of yet. I just want them to be cruelty-free. The next one is an oldie but goodie, and that is strobe cream. If you're not familiar with strobe cream, it is an illuminating cream that I usually put on before my foundation. I'll put on my foundation and then I'll dab a little bit here. The Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter is the closest thing I've found to it, but it still doesn't have the luminosity that this does. I have very little of this left, so the fact that I'm using it at all on camera is ridiculous. So as you can see, it comes out white, but once it's blended in, it just gives your skin a glow. Do you see that? Oh, it's so beautiful. It smells so good. I just can't explain it. I love strobe cream. I would love to find something else like this. Then there is my end-all be-all makeup product. There is the MAC Slim Shine. These came out in 2011, and when they did, I zeroed in on one specific color, and that color was called Bear. This is one of my many backup tubes that I bought when Slim Shines kind of went out. And yes, I know I shouldn't be using lipstick that was created in 2011. I get it, but they still smell like vanilla. I'm gonna use them, okay? I know this just looks like a normal nude lipstick, and I'm not even gonna use this one because it is so precious. So instead, I'm going to show you from the tube that is completely dug out, that I have to use a lip brush to get to, what this looks like. This is my absolute perfect brownie kind of nude shade, but the best thing about these is the way they feel on your lips. They genuinely feel like a balm. They are hydrating, they are super shiny and just beautiful. They are not sticky in the least like a gloss. They feel like a lip balm, and the color is just, it's stunning. It's my lips but better. It's the most perfect thing, and I am using it so sparingly that it's killing me. While yes, I have some things that look the same color as these, I have not felt any lipstick that feels like these feel. They just feel so soothing and slippery on the lips. They don't last long, and I don't need them to. They just feel great. They look beautiful. Ugh, I wish there was something else. As far as foundation goes, I really loved the Mary Kay CC cream. You can tell this is almost gone. I've been squeezing the hell out of this tube. It was a light coverage with a beautiful dewiness to it, but at the same time, it would cover any imperfections. It would cover dark circles, or if I had any pimples, it would cover that nicely, but yet was still a light coverage. Loved this. It even has SPF 15 in it, which I know is not much. I still use an SPF 50, but I like having that extra coverage, and I haven't found another CC cream I've liked as much as this. I love a dewy CC cream, something that is dewy and light coverage, but also covers imperfections, which is kind of a hard mix to get around, and I haven't found one just yet, but I know it's out there. And then finally, perfume. Perfume is a really hard thing to find cruelty-free versions of. Most of the perfumes that are out there are not cruelty-free. I don't know of many that are cruelty-free. Yes, there's Pacifica. Other than that, God, there's not a whole lot, man. And that's not cool at all. There need to be more, because this just needs to be a cause that people think about, in my opinion. Just think about it once in a while. But my favorite perfume was Jimmy Choo Illicit. You can see how low this bottle is, and that makes me a little anxious, but this, oh God, it's so beautiful. From their website, it says this has top notes of ginger and orange, at the heart, rose and jasmine, and finished with base notes of honey, amber, and sandalwood. It has this kind of woodsy feel to it. It is kind of that sexy, smoky feel, but yet it does have that orange that you can sense, where it's a little bit citrusy too. It's so hard to explain, but it is just like, it was my signature scent. It took me 30 plus years to find my signature scent, and I found it, and then my ass decided to go cruelty-free. Why? Why did I do that? Of course, I'm kidding. I'm going to continue to stay cruelty-free, but still, this one bums me out a whole lot, and I'm always on the hunt for good cruelty-free scents and good cruelty-free perfumes, things like that. Leave your favorites down below. So again, the purpose of this video was kind of to show you guys that I'm not perfect. No one's perfect. I'm doing the best I can with this journey that I'm taking, and I'm just gonna take it one step at a time. Eventually, I would love for everything on this table to be replaced with a new favorite, something I like even better than this stuff, and that will happen someday. It just hasn't happened yet. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. As always, I definitely want you to leave comments on this one, because I need your recommendations. You guys are so smart, and you are so involved, and you're so engaged, and it means the world to me. So please comment down below, tell me your favorites, get me on a new kick. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. I upload new videos here on YouTube every Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a single one. You guys are super freaking rock stars, and I love you with my whole heart, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.